Hey guys, me and old Jesse's in here, and check this out. We got the 55 in MotorHead Garage over here, and
big time.
big time. And Jesse over here is about to be old Hollywood here now. It's a pretty cool deal. They're going to be installing a radio in this thing today, and it's going to be really, really cool. And old Jesse, man, you excited?
Beyond excited, man. This is a blessing.
This is a blessing, it really is. It's going to be a cool deal. But me and Jesse was just talking about it's really weird that we're not the ones working on it. It feels.
Yeah,
Me and Jesse's over here like, what do I do?
If
with my
there's a
hands
possible
right now?
way to feel naked with your clothes on, it's right here.
That's it. But we're going to do a lot of filming, a lot of different pictures and stuff of this. Let you guys enjoy this episode today. But it's going to be a cool day. Sit back and enjoy. Oh dang, boys. We got stuff happening now. Check that thing out on.
Good boy.
Oh yeah, you rocking now, Jesse. You
Yeah,
can be
man.
styling, profiling.
I got my hula girl something to dance with.
That's right, man. So you can dance in style now.
Hideaway antennas, even from Custom Auto Sound, and power inverters, memory modules, and all, of course, the.
All right, guys, we're back here. We just finished up this really, really cool deal for Jesse there. And I'm going to turn it over to this gentleman right here, let him kind of explain what all they do. And, man, let us know what this is all about.
You got it. Well, this is MotorHead Garage. We're on Motor Trend on Sunday mornings at 8:30 a.m. And here in our studio at Borla, outside of Johnson City, Tennessee, we do a lot of cool stuff for anything aftermarket for your car. So
Okay.
if you want to add on, we're basically a product showcase. So any cool gear you want to make your car look better, go faster, or perform better, you're going to find it here on MotorHead Garage. So we do installs. We show all the latest products and gear you're going to want for your car. And in this case, for the 55 Chevy, we use Custom Auto Sound's slide bar stereo to make it look authentic, but to make it bring it up to modern standards. So you have Bluetooth, DVD player, or CD player, anything you want to put in the vehicle and make it sound just like a brand new car.
That's awesome, guys. You guys caught it right here on Houston Kilby YouTube channel. Till next time, you guys have a good one.
Well, hey guys, I want to sit down and have a talk with y'all real quick of kind of what all just transpired here in this episode. A lot of cool stuff just happened, and I know I'm going to get a lot of questions, so I'm going to try to go ahead and answer these before it gets kind of crazy here. All right, so first up, I got a phone call a few days back. All this kind of took place relatively very, very quickly. A good friend of ours, Crusher, called me and said, hey, he said, man, we watched some episodes you guys had up, and do you guys still have the 55 Chevrolet, and is it running? I was like, yeah, Jesse still got it, and it's running. And he was like, do you think Jesse would be okay with if we used it in an episode we got coming up? We're needing a 55 Chevrolet that the dash hasn't been changed on it. We need an unaltered stock dash to be able to put a radio in, and it needs to be a direct bolt-up deal. And I was like, yeah, sure. I was like, I don't think the dash has been changed or anything like that. We double-checked everything. Everything was good to go. Nothing had been changed on that car. So it worked out good for us and good for them. So Crusher kind of made the calls. He kind of made everything kind of line up there. If you're not familiar with Crusher, he is the gentleman who owns the company Nut Job. Okay, it is a detailing tool to help clean your lug nuts on your vehicle. Very, very good detailing tool. I use it all the time on my cars, and it works really, really good. But anyways, Crusher called me up, said, hey, can we use it? I think everything's going to be a go. And I was like, well, let me talk to Jesse, make sure he's cool with everything. Of course, Jesse, he was on board. He was like, yeah, man, let's make it happen. So we found out all this is going to take place. So we load up Jesse's car, we go on over there, you know, make the introductions and all that stuff. Everybody's really, really cool. So they're doing this TV show, okay? And they're, you know, doing a lot of product placement type thing. And so basically we brought the car to them, and they did the whole episode of how to install it, you know, and all this stuff, and how good the product is. And it's a very, very nice radio. I mean, extremely nice stuff. And Jesse didn't have a radio in it, and didn't have a speaker, didn't have anything really besides what you guys have seen on the channel, okay? So worked out really, really good for Jesse. They sponsored the radio for him, since we, you know, let them use the car and stuff. And it just worked out really, really good all the way around. Jesse and I got an extremely, really cool behind the scenes how they make TV shows, you know. And for us YouTubers, that's something we really don't get to see much, but it was really cool for me. You know, I'm not very technical savvy when it comes to cameras and all that stuff. It's all very new to me. This is something I've had to really learn, just so I can show you guys the fabrication stuff that I do. But it was a really good experience for us. I got to see a lot of things behind the scenes that, you know, something as simple as lighting for us in my videos, I have an extremely hard time with it. I have a hard time in our shop layout because we have so much chrome stuff, we have so much aluminum stuff, and our metal is normally bare metal on everything. And believe it or not, my GTO is a nightmare to try to video because you get these really, really bad glares and these really bad reflections off of stuff, and the camera has a hard time with that. So I was kind of learning and watching from them, seeing how they were kind of overcoming situations like that. So I've got some stuff I'm going to change in my shop personally to try to mimic some of the things that they're doing, just as a, you know, I got to learn something, you know. But to them, it's probably something that just, you know, just normal them. But to me, just to be able to kind of watch and see what all they're doing is a really, really good experience for me. I really appreciate the opportunity, and, you know, with this COVID stuff, I really appreciate them just allowing us to be there to watch, you know what I mean, which is really, really cool. But great experience. We had a good time. You guys be sure and go and check them out on their show. I'm going to drop a picture of what their channel looks like and the name of their company down below here. Super, super cool. But till next time, you guys have a good one. It's enough of me talking. Really, really enjoyed this episode. And you guys be sure to tell Mr. Hollywood, aka Jesse, Mr. Hoopty King there, hey man, he's moving on up here. You know, we started this YouTube channel building my race car back here, you know, race car / street car, and man, you guys really like his 55. I mean, y'all really, really do. So far, we've got more free components for his car than we have my GTO, which is great. I'm really, really happy for him. I don't care if it's my car or his car. You know, me and Jesse are best friends, and getting to see him get some spotlight, getting to see him getting some stuff going for him is really, really great. And I can't wait for me and Jesse to do more and more stuff like this together. But till next time, you guys have a good one. See you. Hey guys, be sure to check out some of our other videos. We got some older stuff, some newer stuff. Don't forget to check out our website, KilbyMotorsports.com, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Till next time, you guys have a good one. See ya.